Okay, so this quick tip video shows you how you can find the SharePoint intranet site that sits behind every single team that you create. A lot of people don't realize this, that when you make a team, you're also making a SharePoint site where you can have all the functionality of a SharePoint intranet specifically for that team with homepage, subpages, news, information, all this kind of stuff. So I'm going to show you the basic where that SharePoint site is, and I'm also going to show you how you can apply some of the nice SharePoint education templates that are already pre-made, and then you can just tweak that and customize it so it can look how you want it to look. So here I am in a team, okay, it's a fourth form biology team. If I go to the little three dots at the top here, I can go open in SharePoint. So it'll take me online and you'll see that I'm now in the SharePoint site. Now this doesn't look very exciting at the moment because I'm in the documents folder for general, okay. This is whenever I add documents to this area, this is where they're going to be stored. But if I go to the home page, you'll see this is what the home page for this site looks like. Alright, this is the kind of default view. There's a news area, you can add links, there's the documents that have been added, and there's all the activity that's happened. So not that exciting, but actually I can edit it, I can add new page elements, I can completely customize this however I want, and then what I can do is I can then add that as a tab to my actual team so that it would be at the top. I can have a home page button to go to, and they'll be able to access that nice home page for the site. What's nice is that online there are actually some pre-made SharePoint templates that you can apply. So here is a class homepage, for example. Okay, so if I click on that, I can then actually add this to my tenant, as it says here, and apply it to this particular team. So I need my email address, I need the URL of my existing class site. Okay, so I need to find the URL of that site. So I'll show you how to do that now. So to get that, all I've got to do is go to that SharePoint site, go to the home page, and copy that address at the top, and then paste that into the URL here. And click Add to Site. And then it's going to take that template and it's going to add it to that particular site. It says it may take a couple of minutes for this to work, so you've got to leave it going. Okay, so when it's done, I'll get an email saying that the site has been provisioned, and it will give me a link. When I click on the link, it will take me to my new home page. Here it is, and I can edit this. Okay, so if I go at the top here to the little gear, I can change the look. Okay, and I can pick a different theme. I can customize the current theme, pick particular colors for the main color. Okay, and then I can save that. I can click edit here, and I can edit then each web part. Okay. Each of these little boxes is a web part. I can delete web parts. I can click the plus to add new web parts. So here's some links. I can edit each link. Okay. I can choose a custom image. I can do whatever I want there. That's great. Okay. I've got events. I've got some announcements. So I can make quite a fun, nice, interactive, proper page that is going to be a nice sort of front to this class, potentially for them to access maybe the syllabus, maybe some important links, maybe some important materials, and maybe some key videos, for example, a little bit about me, the teacher, how to contact me, my email address, that sort of thing. I could do all sorts of things with this homepage. Okay, so the last step is then to add this to the team. So I'll go back to the team and I'm going to add it as a new tab at the top. Okay, and I'm going to pick website, and all I'm going to do is then copy and paste that URL in. So I'm going to call this my class homepage, and I'm going to paste in that URL. Click save. And now in that team, I've got a link straight through to that nice home page. Okay, so like I said, I could have all sorts of great resources really set up really nicely here.